के बांध लेना, तिरंगे के कसर पर कफन बांध लेना, तिरंगे के कसर पर कफन। एक सच्चे मुसलमान की पहचान है
जनाब मोहम्मद महसन सल्लल्लाहु महल्ला दखिन से कि वो आए अपनी स्पीच दें।
अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। Respected chief guest, parents and all my dear friends. First of all, I wish you a very happy Independence Day. My name is Muhammad Mehsan. I study in class 10. I have got a great chance to give a speech in front of you. As we all know that it is 15th August today, so we gathered here to celebrate this national event. It is a red letter day in the history of India. After a long struggle, we got freedom from British rule, so we celebrate this day. We are so lucky that our forefathers gave us a land with peace and happiness, so we can sleep whole night without fear and enjoy in our school and home. Friends, the truth is political freedom came in 1947, but freedom of the mind, that journey is still unfinished, and that freedom comes only through education. Remember, we cannot protect our independence with weapons alone. We must protect it with knowledge. Knowledge that teaches unity over division, hard work and over shortcuts, and peace over violence. So today, as we salute the tree colors and knowledge that teaches unity over division, hard work over shortcuts, and peace over violence. Today, as we salute the tree colors, let us another pledge. We will fight later. We will give every child, rich or poor, boy or girl, the right to study. We will make our classroom as sacred as our temples, mosques and gurdwaras. Because when the light of education reaches every home, and then will our independence be truly complete. Assalamu alaikum.